Now, significance or importance of business environment. You know already what is business environment, and today we are going to do what is the importance of the business environment. Number one, it enables to identify opportunities and take first mover advantage. Now I will explain this point. If you are doing the environmental scanning properly, that means a business have to have all the informations or changes that are taking place in the surrounding in order to grab any opportunities available, and it can be the first one to start up with something and take the first mover advantage. Now, if you have collected the informations carefully, that what are the changes in the taste and preference of the customers, then what about the economic policies, what are the taxation policy, where the taxes are lower. So it will be helping you to identify the opportunities and take first mover advantage. Now let me give you one example. Maruti car company, that actually Maruti Udyog, it studied the market and the environment carefully, and it understood that mostly the customers belong to the middle class society, and middle class society, as well as they understood that people are evolving as nuclear families, so there are less members in the family, as well as they don't have much money to afford bigger cars, and they are looking for some fuel efficient, less costly car. So in order to give them the facility, they were the first one to launch the small car in the market. Now when they launched the small cars in the market, what happened? The people got hold of the small car at a very nominal rate. It is also fuel efficient, and that's why the business Maruti Udyog was able to make in much profit. So they identified the opportunity, they studied the customers carefully, and they were the first one to take the first mover advantage. So before Maruti Udyog, there was more or less no company that came up with small cars. And what happened? When they launched it, they got the maximum of profit as their customer base was much more enlarged. Number two, it helps to identify threats and gives warning signal. Now, if you have collected enough of business information, you know what can be your threats. Now, what happened due to opening of the economy, due to liberalization policy, many foreign companies were also able to export their items to India. Now what happened when such items were exported and came to India as import, the customers got a widened variety of goods to purchase from. So when the customer's choice basket increases, what happens? They will be going for that commodity that according to them is much suitable and much worth according to the price. So this domestic Indian firms will face a competition, because earlier they got lot of customers and now customers are actually deviating because they have got lot of commodities to choose from. They might choose any of the other commodities. So Maruti found out once that foreign car companies are also entering the Indian car market, so they might face heavy competition because foreign cars might be much well in its features and Indian customers might be opting for that. So what they did, they got a warning signal that there is increased competition. So they did what? They increased the car production. Now how can increased car production come to their help? When they increase the car production, it means in the market the supply of car was much more and maximum was supplied by Maruti company. So what happens? The customers, whoever is demanding, they are getting less supply from the other companies and they are getting more supply from this Maruti Udyog. So what will happen? They will end up buying from this car company. So what happened? When they increase the production, they basically increase the supply of Maruti cars in the market, and they increase the supply so much that the car market, it became the maximum supply. So the people who demanded, they have got, suppose they are buying from other companies also, but maximum demanders, to satisfy them, the cars were delivered from this company. So the supply was taken hold of and they were able to manage up with the threat. Number 3, it helps in tapping resources. Now tapping resources means, now suppose you understood that the fashion and trend is going in such a way that people are demanding scooties. So when the company understood that the scooties are much in demand, so they will be stuck. That is the final product. So before that, they have to gather the capital, the materials needed to make that. So before other companies or other business houses who are in the production of the same commodity, that is scooty, before them, the business firm which we are talking about will take the first opportunity to tap the resources and they will not face any shortage of the material goods. So tapping resources means before other business house who are in the same business of producing scooties, before they tap the capital from the banks or get the materials, raw materials, and before any shortage of raw material arises, the business firm can book their resources. They can fix the resources much before other business houses. Number 4, to cope up with rapid changes and improve performance. Now, you can very well understand that if you can scan the environment properly, you can identify the future opportunities and you can identify the threats and take decision accordingly. So if you can manage up both, that is taking opportunity and taking first mover advantage, and you can identify threats and change your business decisions accordingly, then it will help you to cope up the changes that has occurred, and continuously if you can manage up with the changing environment situation, it will be improving your performance and skills. Number 5, for planning and policy formulation. So business from time to time have to plan out its future course of actions and it has to frame policies. So if you can understand the environment, its need, what product if you launch will earn you maximum profit, then you can properly plan out and formulate your policy if you know your environment well. So let me give you one example, that is before nowadays you can see that there are many hotels in the tourist spots. Now it was understood by the business houses that Indian tourism can improve and that will be a nice business opportunity because people do migrate, they do go for holidays, they nowadays people who are earning more after actually paying for their consumption basket, they go for all these entertainment stuffs. So they understood that if they engage in hotel industry and they build up certain hotels, it can be a good business. So you will see that there are many business houses who are investing in the hotel projects. So business can take good decisions if they can understand the environment, they can understand the need well, and accordingly they can plan up, they can keep a backup plan for the future, and they can continuously change the policy and rules